suffering from allergies, allergic reactions, or other health issues associated with allergies, I have this little gem with me today. This DAO product is meant to assist with all of these things. Diem Histamine Digest is a diamine oxidase or DAO supplement intended for those with intolerance to dietary histamine, histamine sensitivity, and occasional digestive distress related to histamine-containing foods and beverages. Why DAO is so important is now what we're going to discuss. What many people do not realize is that the enzyme diamine oxidase, again, DAO for short, is created in the small intestines to break down histamine. Without it, your body can have a really hard time breaking down any histamine, which can result in allergies. Many people with gut disorders have multiple allergies as well. Since DAO is made in the small intestines, having a gut disorder may inhibit the natural production of DAO in our bodies. Now, Diem Histamine Digest delivers naturally derived diamine oxidase to that small intestine, where it acts directly on dietary histamine to defend against histamine-related reactions and digestive discomfort. Now, some examples of foods with high levels of histamine would be fermented dairy products such as aged cheese or yogurt, fermented vegetables like sauerkraut, pickled vegetables such as dill pickles and pickled beets, cured or fermented meats like salami and sausage, and alcoholic beverages like beer, wine, and spirits. Now, I've personally used this supplement to clear my allergies and allergic reactions. My allergies were so severe that I could not stop sneezing and blowing my nose, and to the point that people would make comments about it as well. And I also suffered from asthma. Now, within, just a few days of using this, I got relief from years of misery. I like it because it's natural and easy, and simple way to relieve allergies, and it can be taken in a way that works best for you. Now, my current, preferred way of using this product is to take it on an empty stomach in the morning and another before dinner on an empty stomach again. When I began, however, I needed 2 capsules in the morning and 2 again at night. And then I lessened the dosage as my body began to create the DAO naturally. My physician recommended taking this product on an empty stomach as it helps with environmental allergies. However, it's good to note that if you take this product with food, it can help with food allergies. So again, I want to show you guys. I will include a link to this beautiful product that I'm absolutely in love with in the video description below for you. Please drop a comment if you have any questions, and happy healing to all.